fix any Outdoor Revolution Driveaway awning to the van or motorhome, you'll need either to use the Endurance storm straps, guy lines to peg it down over the other side of the vehicle, or to use a Driveaway fixing kit. The fixing kit has piping and also figure of 8. The idea is that you feed the piping, whether it be 4mm or 6mm piping, through your Fiamma or Omnistor, then attach that to the figure of 8, and then the figure of 8 is used to feed the beading from the Driveaway. What you'll need to do first is roll out the Fiamma or Omnistor to give yourself a little bit of room for manoeuvre. Once the Kador is in place and you've fed the piping through the figure of 8, you then need to fasten back the Fiamma just to create the tension on the cowl of the motorhome Driveaway. Once the awning has been rolled back fully, the next thing is to peg down the cowl at the base. There are various pegging points at the base which can be used, and once the pegging points have been pegged down, there is adjustability on the straps, and also to take up any excess in the fabric there is a bungee cord and a retainer.